The music in this video is Waves by Founder. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we will be doing a tips and tricks on the Lego coaster. Not sponsored. Did you know 90% of you guys are not subscribed that regularly watch my videos? That's crazy. So make sure to subscribe. It's completely free. All it's saying is you like my videos and it helps me out a lot. Alright, so let's get to the trains. There's two ways to take them off. One is you can just kind of like pry them off, but it sometimes gets tracks off, but that's not the safest way if you want to keep it intact. You pull this out, switch trains and load and offload trains. Then you can just roll it out. And now you can put in your Lego figures, or whatever you want. For today's video, I will be putting in this train. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Ian Malcolm from Jurassic Park, not sponsored again. Please don't give me copyright. That's never fun. I'm gonna keep my YouTube channel, Ian Malcolm. Then we'll have a Star Wars AT-AT pilot. Please, I do not want to be copyrighted. Then we'll have Pizza Guy. He came from a minifigure mystery box thingy. And then now we can put him on. Just put it on I'll show you again. Boop. What you can do, you just kind of like pop it on. You can do this anywhere. And then you can just, technical difficulties. And you just slide it in, put it into the station. And you can put this side in, and then pull it up. And then for this cart, and to take them apart, you just pull them and put them back together. There's this hook part in this. The more you do this, the more they come off regularly. For this cart, we'll have the most hated Star Wars character, Jar Jar Binks. Just put it in. Make sure to have their seatbelt on. And then also, we will have 1999 Luke Skywalker Lego figure. Just let them sit, have their arms up. And then eject. Got careful with these. No legs when their tripod falls over. And then last but not least, we will actually have a character from this set. I don't know his name. It's just a little guy. He's double-faced. He has a scared face. He has a scared face. And a happy face. Oh wait, no. So that's one figure. But then last but not least, we'll have Dennis Nedry. And then he's double-side face. Hold on. He has the off-source spit venom on his back. And you get this at the Jurassic Park gate set. Make sure you have his hands out. Put them on. And this one I'm gonna put into the second row. Slide this in. All right, now I'll get to the station functions. So, trains move along, and right here you can pull this in and out. This is a tire mechanism that slows the train down to a stop. But you can push this in, so the train will just roll through onto the train lift. Or you can pull this out, so it'll stop and you can load characters on. To move them all along once they're in the station, when all your characters are in, you just push this forward and you can't go backwards. It's a cool mechanism. See if you can see that? It's a cool mechanism that I can only push the carts forward, not backwards. And then right here is the chain lift. I'm pulling it this way, have it go up, this way to go down. But try not to go down. Alright, let's get on to the track layout. So first, this station, you go down, over here onto the train lift, all the way up, onto these tire pushers, down on the first drop, get the photo, and go up on bank, turn around, then airtime hill over into a sketty bowl, and then down back into the station. All right, let's see how it runs. I recommend before doing it, using a dust cloth, so the dust doesn't slow the train down. So I'm going to do this. I didn't dust down because I don't have a dust rag. So you just push it along. It will automatically clip onto the chain lift. Pull it up. Sometimes you do have to push it along. And back into the station. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe. It's completely free. Just tells me that you like your videos. Hit the like button if this was useful. It just helps me out a lot to get more subscribers and to help me make more videos. Hit the bell to never miss another video, and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.